So, where Samsung is actively developing its foldable phones, Vivo is claimed to launch its foldable, the X Fold6 this month. But even before that, a tipster has shared its design details as well as major specs. So, let's get started. So, as per the tipster, the X Fold6 will continue to use Vivo's signature design, that is the large circular camera island on the rear. Also, he mentioned instead of Samsung's Z Fold7's squarish design, the Vivo X Fold6 will come with the rounded corner design. So as a whole, we can say it will be pretty much similar to its predecessor. However, expect some refinements in the final product. The screen sizes will remain almost the same, 8.02 inches foldable and 6.51 inches outer screen. Next, the X Fold6 is tipped to use the Dimensity 9500 chipset, the current top tier chip from MediaTek, which is a surprising shift because the X Fold5 was using Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, an older chipset at that time, and now X Fold6 will use a top-end chip, which of course gonna be great from AI point of view. Anyway, talking about its camera sensors, the tipster claimed there will be a large size 200 megapixel sensor, which is a big upgrade over the 50 megapixel on its predecessor. Then a mid-size 50 megapixel periscope telephoto. Now, in a previous leak, he mentioned this periscope will offer 3 times optical zoom, while there will also be a 50 megapixel ultra wide. So as a comparison, a superior zoom lens compared to the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7. Though Samsung is rumored to bring an improved telephoto lens on the Z Fold8 Ultra, but due to strong specs, Vivo is likely to maintain its upper hand in this regard. Moving forward, a recent 3C certification revealed the X Fold6 will use a dual cell battery with a rated capacity of 6670 mAh. So its typical capacity could be 6900 mAh, very close to early rumors. And the handset will also support wireless charging. So it's not only massively bigger than its predecessor, but also compared to Galaxy Z Fold7. Further, the leak mentioned the X Fold6 is said to have a slim and lightweight body. For reference, the X Fold5 was just between 217 and 226 grams and 9.2mm when unfolded. So the X Fold6 is gonna be a pretty strong and competitive foldable. Most likely, we will soon get our first look at the handset and its teasers. Of course, I will keep you updated, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.